So this is a 1973 Datsun 240Z. It's been completely redone. We got a LS3 motor in it, uh, wide body from Z-Trix. Adds about 3 inches on each corner. Um, Custom front end. As you can see, there's a lot of carbon fiber trims. Wheels are SSR Aero Formula Mesh, which is 11 and a half all the way around, minus 40, I believe, is the offset, and then 315s all the way around on the tires. Uh, Suspension's all been redone. It has the full catalog of Arizona C car, billet aluminum suspension, track back kit. Interior's been restored as well. So fuel cell, it's a RCI 15-gallon, custom lines and everything. Um, Custom exhaust, dual 3-inch center exit exhaust. The color is from Dodge Destroyer Gray, same color as a Hellcat.